Sveiki, autentiška lyderystė. Ir šiandien laukia įdomus susitikimas su Frederick Harren, vienu iš kūrybiškiausių žmonių turbūt pasaulyje, parašiusių knygą Idėjų knyga ir nekartą buvusių Lietuvoje. Ir šiandien susitiksiu su juo pas jį namuose, tai yra Singapūre. Ir būtent šitas žemėlapis ant sienos sako, kad jis yra global speaker. Ir įdomiausia tikriausiai tai, kad būnant vienoje konferencijoje, tiesiog paklausus organizatorių, su kuo rekomenduotų susitikti Singapūre, parekomendavo būtent jį. Taigi laukia įdomus susitikimas. So, continuing now the discussion with Frederick, it's very nice to meet you. And could you share your experience from your personal life? What is authenticity for you, and what is authentic speaker?
Okay, so maybe I do the other way around. What is an authentic speaker? I think actually when I go up on stage, I remind myself of two things. I say what you believe and believe what you say. That's my suggestion to anyone who's ever afraid, nervous, or about giving a speech. If you do these two things, you are bound to do a great speech. And every time I do a bad speech, it's because I didn't do either of these two things. So first, say what you believe and believe what you say, which means have confidence about what you're talking about and let them feel that you are really believing in what you say, and only say things that you believe in. Then don't worry about what the audience is going to think about you. Don't worry about that. So what is authenticity for me? I guess it's being real, being who you are. Can I get another story?
Yes, sure.
I went and I studied under a Buddhist monk in Sri Lanka for 11 days. 11 days silent meditation. I only talked to him 15 minutes per day, and the rest was just meditation. And we had this discussion where he said, never plan, never plan your speeches, never plan anything, just live in the moment. And I said, but Tiger Woods, when he putts, he will visualize where, how the ball is going to go. He said, no, that's wrong, don't do that. I said, but shouldn't I visualize my speech like it's going to be great, I'm going to do a great speech, Jordan's going to like it. He said, no. He said, don't prepare at all, just go up and do a speech. And I said, I can't just go up and do a speech. But then he said, well, think about it. If you just go up and you're in the moment and you're just right there with the audience, don't you think you're going to make a great speech? And he's right, because it's just being there in the moment right now and just being authentic in that moment. So for me, it was like an epiphany. I realized that being authentic is being right there, right now, not hoping, not living in the future like I wish this is going to happen, I hope it goes like this, not wondering about things that happened in the past. So I think a very good technique for being authentic is to be in the moment, right? Not only when giving a speech, but doing anything. So if you ask me what does it mean to be authentic, I think it means being here and now, being in the moment.
Being now.
Yes.
So thank you for sharing this great idea.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.